Have you ever thought why we are doing the fasting blood sugar test at the interval of 10 to 12 hours? Here we will see the answer. So when you have the dinner at the night, our food will be converted into glucose. So that glucose will be utilized by our body for energy purpose. So what happens if when the food we used, it will be converted into glucose, which will be in our bloodstream, which is utilized by our body for the energy. So what happens when that energy is present? We should not do the blood test, because the food which we had, that glucose will be interfere in our report. So what we will do is we will fast for 10 to 12 hours. By the end of 8 hours, our glucose which we got from the food will be over. Now what happens after that? Still our body needs energy, and that energy should be provided by our body. So the body will before itself it would have stored some glucose in the form of glycogen in our liver. So now what happens? This glycogen will be converted to glucose, and then which will be used as energy for our body. So now at this time we are by 10 to 12 hours fasting. So now when we measure the glucose, it will be whether we are measuring that which is normal or not. So there is no influence of food. So you should not have tea, coffee, anything. So you should fast for 10 to 12 hours, and we can test the blood sugar test, which will be accurate. According to WHO, they had standardized this protocol and saying that you should fast for 10 to 12 hours, so that report will be accurate.